Hi, I'm David, and this is the second lesson of DaVinci Resolve free course. And today we are going to talk about importing, creating folder structures, and most important thing, creating templates for that. So don't miss that because it will save you a lot of time. And without further ado, let's get started with lesson. First you want to do is create folder structure. You create first editing template by right clicking in your folder and then you rename to editing template. Then right click on that, properties, and under properties go to customize and change icon. And you change folder icon just to make it easier to recognize. And then you start putting folders in. Do it as you see on the screen. So create footage, audio, graphics, export, miscellaneous, and one extra for project template. After you did that, you want to create subfolders. So under footage you create day, camera, stock, archive. Under music you create dialogue, sound effects, and music. Under graphics you create images and Photoshop files, or maybe you need something else. Under exports you create final, temp, and VFX depending on what you need. Under miscellaneous you can put your licenses, credits, or something like that. If you see this 010 or 020 numbers, it's for two reasons. First, so you can put your folders in any order you want. For example, footage wouldn't be in front of audio, but with this it is. And the second reason is if you forget to make a folder and you have a lot of folders and you don't want to rename everyone so you can make your order right, you just put 015 or 019 or any number between, and then your folder will go between the two and you won't have to rename every and each folder. That is the reason for that. I think it's really cool. After that, right click on editing template and pin to quick access for quick access. And now let's do the same in DaVinci Resolve. Basically you create 010 sequences, everything else is the same, so you copy all folder structure from footage, audio, graphics, exports or renders, and miscellaneous. Also create all the subfolders, and under sequences you want to create 010 cuts where you put your current cut, 020 for your old cuts where you put your cuts that are not active, that you duplicated and you don't use. You can create also select folder for your select reels. It can be based on happenings, characters, scenes, whatever. And now let's talk about importing. You can import through your media page or you can drag and drop. I use media page. All you have to do is just put your footage into footage folder, audio into audio folder, graphics into graphics folder, and so on. And now let's talk about the most important thing, template creation. First one, I want to set my timeline to 1080p, and now I'm going to make two sequences. One is for selects and I'll put it under selects folder, and another one is cut where I'll put my main cut. So all you have to do is right click, create new folder, or Control Shift N is shortcut, and then you type in the name. After you did that, you can do the same with cut. And now when we did that, we want to go to home icon in the bottom right corner, click that, and we should see DaVinci Resolve 16 screen as you see here. And you want to go to your currently open project. It is red with a tick, and you just right click and export project, and you export it to the editing template folder, and you can just create this pinned folder and place it there. So you see how fast it can be. And after you did that, you just want to try and import for maybe another project. You place yourself in the right folder. I'm here in the home, YouTube and YouTube series, and I want to create first project our first episode, I'm just going to click import project. After that, I'm going to go again to the same folder and select project template YT or YouTube and just click, give it a name. Next time when you want to do the same, you just repeat the process, but you give different name, and that is it. As you can see, everything is here. You don't have to create it all over again. Imagine just how much time you will save. I hope that this lesson was helpful, and if it was, you can like it and share it with others. And if you don't want to miss next lesson, you can subscribe. And I hope that you saw how helpful it can be creating presets or templates. So whenever you can do that, just do it. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.